Why did Challenger Gray report a strong increase in layoffs in mid-2026? The surprising reasons reveal key shifts in the economy you need to understand right now. In mid-2026, a notable economic slowdown impacted multiple sectors worldwide. This downturn forced companies to reduce costs drastically. Many firms, especially in tech and manufacturing, responded with layoffs to maintain financial stability. This economic cooling was more severe than many anticipated, leading to a surge in job cuts reported by Challenger Gray. The layoffs reflect broader fears of recession and shifting market demands. Another key factor was the rise in interest rates throughout early 2026. Central banks increased rates to control inflation, which raised borrowing costs for businesses. This made it harder for companies to finance expansions or maintain existing operations, leading many to downsize. The financial pressure from higher rates directly contributed to the spike in layoffs Challenger Gray reported, as companies tightened budgets to survive. Consumer spending patterns shifted significantly in 2026. Increased savings and cautious spending meant less demand for certain products and services. Industries like retail and hospitality, which rely heavily on consumer confidence, saw revenues drop. This sudden change forced businesses to reevaluate workforce needs, resulting in layoffs. Challenger Gray's report highlights how these behavioral shifts ripple through the job market. Finally, advancements in automation and AI accelerated in 2026. Many companies adopted new technologies to improve efficiency and reduce labor costs. While this boosts productivity, it also reduces the number of available jobs in some sectors. Challenger Gray's data reflects this trend, with layoffs rising in areas where automation is replacing routine tasks. The strong increase in layoffs reported by Challenger Gray in mid-2026 reveals a complex mix of economic slowdown, rising interest rates, changing consumer habits, and rapid automation. These forces combine to reshape the job market in surprising ways. Stay informed about these shifts because your career could be impacted next. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.